with a focus on delivering the highest quality American-made food storage and material handling solutions across traditional and non-traditional food service applications, with a commitment to customer service and satisfaction. At Channel Manufacturing, these are the foundations of our mission: to be your uncontested go-to resource. Across a diverse array of industries, for business both large and small, we're here to help you meet the unique needs of an ever-changing food safety environment, to help you prepare, store, display, and transport foods, beverages, and materials with a broad offering of standard size or customized products. Our goal is to provide you with the most applicable, cost-effective solutions. And our flexible approach means we can adapt to nearly any customer timeline or unique need. Explore our website and product catalog, or contact us directly and find what you need for your service operation and applications today.